Hi, welcome to Sew and Stack. It's almost Valentine's Day. When we think about love, we always think about loving someone else. But I believe love starts within, and only then you can share that love with the world. I'm also thinking of gifting little something for myself. What's it's gonna be? These beautiful flowers, roses, tulips. There are so many options. Or chocolates. After all, chocolates are not just for Valentine's Day. I think it's a pantry essential. All of these are okay, but I'm looking for something special. I have decided I'm gonna do an embroidery art for my denim jacket for this Valentine's Day. Type of fabric is very important in beginner hand embroidery. I usually select natural fibers rather than synthetic fibers, like burlap, cotton, linen, felt, or in this case, denim fabric. We will need a needle, a pen, an embroidery hoop, pair of scissors, and embroidery threads. First, select the area you're gonna do the embroidery art and prepare the embroidery hoop as follows. Make sure fabric is properly stretched and tight the screw well. It's like making a fabric drum. Now we have to draw a pattern, or if you have a pattern already, trace that to the fabric. I'm gonna draw a simple heart-shaped art here. One heart inside of the other. I'm also adding 2 flowers to my pattern as well. For the outer line of the heart, I'm using red color embroidery thread with 6 strands. Thread your needle and make a little knot at the end. I'm using back stitch for the outer line of the heart. First, push your needle from back of the fabric and make a forward stitch like this. Then leave a space for a stitch length and come up and pull all the way. Move your needle back and down through the same hole where you ended the previous stitch. Again, leave a stitch length away and come up from back of the fabric and back down through the same hole where you ended the previous stitch. Keep going like this till you complete the outer line of the heart. Because this is a everyday wear, make sure you wash and dry your fabric before doing this embroidery. Otherwise, it might shrink and will ruin your embroidery art. If this is only for decorative purposes, you don't need to wash and dry your fabric. This is the last stitch for the outer line because we have to leave some space for the two flowers. Then make a knot at the back of the fabric and couple of extra knots for more secure stitch. Cut the extra thread at the end. Now we're gonna do the inner line of the heart and I'm choosing peach color thread. Again, we use back stitch to complete the inner line as well. Like before, make couple of extra knots at the end. And cut the extra thread. Finally, we're gonna start on flowers and I'm using lacy daisy stitch for that. From back of your fabric, bring your needle up at the middle of the flower and go back down through the same hole that you came up through. Don't pull all the way through and leave a little loop like this. Then bring your needle up through at the end of a petal and make sure it goes inside of the loop like this. Don't pull too tight, otherwise you will lose this nice teardrop shape. Finally, go back down a little bit further from where you came up to secure the petal shape. To complete the flower, follow the same steps for each and every petal. And also try to maintain the same shape and length for all of the petals. Keep going till you finish all the petals. For me, stitching is kinda meditation. It keeps me calm, at least for a while. And that is why I always try to keep my creative side alive. Now start on the second flower. What I love about upcycling is you're gonna get this feeling of getting something new for free. The hardest thing in stitching is dealing with these knots. But where is the fun without that, right? Now we are almost done. Make couple of extra knots at the end to secure the stitch and cut the extra thread. Now carefully remove the embroidery hoop from the fabric. This is our final product. I got simple yet something special for this Valentine's Day. Hope you all find something nice to do as well. I'll join you in the next video and thank you for watching.